You are not lost. You are undisciplined. There is a version of you that you see in your imagination. Calm under pressure, focused when others panic, sharp, controlled. A man who does what he says he will do. And every day you delay becoming him, you feel the gap. That quiet disappointment at night, that frustration when you waste hours, that tension when you look at your life and know it could be more. You try to silence it. You scroll. You distract yourself. You promise tomorrow will be different, but tomorrow only changes when you do. You don't need motivation. Motivation fades. You need structure, you need rules, you need a mental reset so deep that the old version of you slowly disappears. If you want to become unrecognizable, follow these 5 rules. Not for a week, not when you feel inspired, but daily. Rule 1, cut the noise. Your brain is overloaded. Social media, opinions, news, messages, comparison. You consume more in one day than people used to consume in months, and it's making you mentally weak. Every scroll trains distraction. Every short video trains impatience. Your focus is fractured before the day even starts, so reduce input. No phone for the first hour of your day. Limit useless content. Stop checking notifications every few minutes. Protect your attention like it determines your future. Because it does. Silence will feel uncomfortable. You will feel restless. Good. That restlessness means your brain is detoxing from stimulation. Sit with it. In silence, you begin to hear your real thoughts. In silence, clarity forms, and clarity gives direction. Rule 2, control your mornings. The first hour of your day sets your identity. If you wake up weak, you move weak all day. When the alarm goes off, you move immediately. No snooze, no bargaining. Your body gets up before your mind negotiates. Stand up, make your bed properly, drink water, move your body, step outside if you can. Feel discomfort early. You are not trying to be productive. You are trying to build obedience to your higher standard. Every time you override comfort, you strengthen your identity. You are teaching yourself, I act, even when I don't feel like it. Rule 3, raise your standards. Look at your environment, your habits, your circle. Do they reflect who you want to become? If your room is chaotic, your mind will be chaotic. If your friends joke about staying average, you will shrink without noticing. Standards are contagious. Clean your space, improve your body, set boundaries, speak clearly. Stop tolerating laziness from yourself. You don't become dangerous by staying comfortable. You become dangerous by refusing to stay small. Rule 4, do one hard thing every single day. Not a complete life overhaul. One hard thing. One focused deep work session without distractions. One brutal workout. One uncomfortable conversation. One task you've been avoiding. Hard actions build evidence, and evidence builds self-trust. When you complete hard tasks consistently, something shifts. You stop seeing yourself as inconsistent. You stop identifying as someone who tries. You become someone who executes. Confidence is not loud. It is quiet certainty built from proof. Daily proof. Rule 5, stay when it gets boring. This is the rule that separates men from boys. The beginning feels powerful. You feel motivated, you feel sharp. But then the excitement fades. The routine feels repetitive. The progress feels slow. And this is where most people quit. They want transformation to feel dramatic. They want growth to feel exciting. It won't. Rebuilding yourself is repetitive. It is quiet. It is lonely. No one applauds you for waking up early. No one celebrates your discipline. But repetition rewires identity. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months. You begin to move differently. Your posture changes. Your eyes are steady. You speak with less hesitation. You make decisions faster. You stop chasing validation. You stop explaining your goals to people who don't understand. You become solid. There will not be a dramatic moment where you suddenly feel transformed. No fireworks, no announcement. Just one day you look back and realize the old version of you no longer fits. That is what becoming unrecognizable looks like. Not extreme, not loud, consistent. This is not about becoming perfect. It's about becoming aligned. Aligned with your standards. Aligned with your goals. Aligned with the man you once thought was out of reach. So stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Rebuild yourself. Cut the noise. Control your mornings. Raise your standards. Do one hard thing daily. Stay consistent when it's boring. 5 rules. Simple, hard, effective. And if you follow them long enough, the world won't need an announcement. Your presence will say everything. Because one day, without realizing when it happened, you will understand something powerful. You are no longer trying to change. You already did.